It's always been a mystery to me how two hearts can come together and love can last forever. Now that I have found you, I believe that a miracle has come when God sends a perfect one. Not gonna roll my questions about why.
Penampilan Judika di pemberkatan adik iparnya sungguh luar biasa, dan lagunya diminta langsung oleh adik iparnya dan dinyanyikan sangat merdu oleh Judika.
I wonder do everything I would need, because it made all my dreams come true. When God made you, I've been thinking